Now we're looking at the purchase order for a 6-pack of oil, and we can see that our icon is showing here to let us know that Lizzie put this part here as an individual part number, but she has switched the part number for you so that the vendor sees that you're ordering one 6-pack of oil. So we're going to go ahead and tell it to order this. So this is 5702. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to edit this purchase order. We'll go over to this page, and again, the edit screen looks the same way. So if you change this to 2, you're actually getting 12 individual containers of oil because you're going to be ordering 2 6-packs. So we're just going to leave this alone. We're going to go ahead and go to next, and we're going to tell it to place the order. Now we're going to view the PO again, and so now we can see that the item is ordered. So we're going to go ahead and receive this to see what happens on the actual receiving process. So we're going to hit the receive button. We're going to choose the purchase order that we want to work with. But now notice that the part numbers changed. So we ordered a 6-pack of oil, but Lizzie knows on the receiving that that part was put there from an invoice that only needed 2 of those. So if I were to order and receive 1 case of oil, well, now I got to go back and break the case apart, and then I got to go in and deal with my special orders. So in this situation, Lizzie's doing all that for me. So the only thing that I need to know as the receiving clerk is that this is an assembly and we're receiving in an individual quantity. So I need 2 of these for customers, and I'm going to be receiving 6 individual bottles of oil. So the work has really been done for you. There's not a whole lot of thinking involved other than knowing that this, was a part number for an assembly and now is being received into the system as a single. So we're just going to go ahead and tell it to process the order. We get our receiving report. And so now if we go back over here to invoicing and we go to our special order list for the invoice that we were working on, we can now see that we've actually received 2 of these into stock. And so if we go over to inventory, in fact, I think we can get there from here. So if we go over to the inventory item, you can see down here at the bottom that we now have 4 of them in stock. So again, this is the individual part. Lizzie has unbuilt it automatically for me based on the fact that that's what we ordered off of that original invoice. And so all of the work's been done for us. There's no necessary element to going and unbuilding the kit once you receive it so that you can deliver it to customers. The whole process has been dealt with accordingly.